The char type keyword is an alias for the .NET system char structure, which represents a Unicode UTF-16 code unit, typically corresponding to a UTF-16 character. The string type represents text as a sequence of char values. A char value can be specified using a character literal, a Unicode escape sequence, a hexadecimal escape sequence, or by casting a numeric character code to char. A Unicode escape sequence consists of \u followed by a 4-symbol hexadecimal code. A hexadecimal escape sequence consists of \x followed by the hexadecimal representation of a character code. A char must be enclosed in single quotes.